This section explains the procedure for sensitivity monitoring. You can easily confirm the touch sensor state in real time on the GUI. With the target board connected to the PC via the emulator, also connect the target board to the PC via the serial connection. Start the debugger and execute the program created in the Step 2 tuning section. Next, open CapTouch Workflow and click Connect button onto Connect UART to connect the target board. Then click Show Views of Workflow to start monitoring. After choosing the center to be monitored on the CapTouch Multi-Status Chart and CapTouch Status Chart, and click Enable Monitoring on the CapTouch Board Monitor. The CapTouch Board Monitor shows the touch interface configuration and touched position. In the multi-status chart, the count values of multiple touch sensors are displayed in real time in a graph, and the sensitivity of a single touch sensor is displayed in real time in the status chart. The green line is the threshold value. The red line is the count value of the touch sensor, and the detection status is displayed at the bottom. By selecting Touch Interface under CapTouch Parameters, sensitivity parameters such as noise filtering and touch threshold values for each sensor can be adjusted. As we have learned in the previous 3 steps of configuration, tuning and serial monitoring, by using the QE for capacitive touch from Renesas, you can easily and quickly optimize the sensitivity of the touch sensor. You can see how easy it is to use touch sensors in your application. Please refer to the Renesas website for details of capacitive touch sensor.